Welcome to 1682 Horseshoe Drive, Unit A. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment in Northeast Columbia near I-20. This is a ground floor unit. We're here on the first floor. And we're right inside of the unit now. In the foyer, you can see there's a nice size foyer right off the entry, and immediately to the right, coat closet. Then we have a living room, which is a nice size, has a ceiling fan, some exposed wood beams on the ceiling. There's a wood burning fireplace as well, and you have some built-in shelving and a small, very small work area on the right side. Dining room is off of the kitchen, has a ceiling fan as well, and it's open to the galley-style kitchen. You have an included microwave, electric stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher. And then there's a laundry area back here with full-size washer and dryer connections as well. As well as a pantry in this back corner, so you have some shelving inside and some metal wire rack shelving on the door. And then right out back, you have just a small covered patio back here that looks out to some shared backyard space. And then back across the living room, you have 2 bedrooms. First is facing the front of the unit. The closet is on the opposite wall from the window. There's a linen closet in the hallway as well. And then a full bathroom off the hall. You have a solid surface countertop on the vanity, commode, and a shower and tub. And then last but not least, the master bedroom is at the back. It's a bit larger. And it has a walk-in closet in addition to its own full bathroom with a single vanity and a shower. So that completes our tour of this property, 1682 Horseshoe Drive, Apartment A in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.